Assemblies is where it all comes together, literally. And SOLIDWORKS 2022 has great tools that not only improve your performance, but also give you better access to tools. Large Design Review enables quicker access to large assemblies with few limitations. The NEMO submersible has over 6,000 components. Yet here we're going to open it in real time for emphasis in Large Design Review mode in a mere 13 seconds. Now you can open drawings in detailing mode from the Large Design Review assembly files. In a similar way to Large Design Review, detailing mode is an ultra-fast way to open large and complex drawings, with few limitations in the functionality available to you. Opening this large drawing takes just 21 seconds to complete. The purpose of detailing mode is to enable a user to fully annotate a drawing whose views have already been created. The natural workflow of opening drawings in this manner will be the standard moving forward to enable the best performance possible with any size drawing. We've also added quick access to open sub-assemblies, also in Large Design Review mode, directly from the right mouse menu. This ensures that only the data you need is loaded as you drill down further into the sub-assemblies, and if you need fully resolved, the right mouse click flyout enables that as well. Access the data the way you need, when you need to. Moving components is easier in SOLIDWORKS 2022. Now when you select a part from the Feature Manager, a triad is shown on the component so you can easily translate and rotate with a simple drag. The Quick Mates toolbar now enables further access to component alignment before the mates are added. Here we can flip direction, or with a concentric mate, we can choose to lock rotation. What about when both conditions exist, you ask? Well, of course we do. Adding mates has never been quicker. Feature-driven component patterns have always been a staple of power and associativity. But we've always had to pay close attention to the seed of each component's pattern. In SOLIDWORKS 2022, less awareness needs to be paid, as it's incredibly flexible to reassociate which is the seed, so that the pattern lays out appropriately no matter where the originating component starts. It does this by automatically using the component's position as the selected seed in the pattern. And it makes using existing hole patterns easier than ever. Configurations are a way to create similar but different iterations of any assembly. And by its nature, the number of permutations is virtually unlimited. The more combinations of part and subassembly configurations you get, the more complicated things appear. New for SOLIDWORKS 2022 is the new configuration table. This table is a much easier audit trail for editing and managing configurations. From the table, you can add new versions to your design, and you can control the suppression state and select the configurations of any component or subassembly therein. This is a great way to see your changes as they're implemented. And if you start suppressing components or changing configurations in the graphics area, those will be added to the table automatically as well. The configuration table also has convenient filters, so as your configurations grow, you can drill down to things like custom properties or features quickly. There are often situations where components shouldn't appear on the bill of materials, but this has generally been a repetitive game time decision each and every time that component is used in an assembly. Now, a setting to exclude the component from a bill of materials can be set at the component level, so it's effective each time this part is used in every assembly. And that's another healthy dose of performance improvements that's sure to increase everybody's productivity.